Hey guys, I am playing. What am I playing? Flood Escape. I'm playing Flood Escape, okay? Um, I'm playing with Bren and Landy. But Landy sucks. And also, Bren, show this video to your brother because I said he sucks, which is true. Damn it, go to medium.
The only reason why I stuck in this game is because I've never played it.
Does Landon have an account?
Yeah. No, not a YouTube account.
Oh. And Landon's here. You look exactly how you look in real life.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hate this one. Jeez, I hate it. It's so stupid. This guy's getting in the way of me, and he's being a real jerk. Oh, it's open now. But I guarantee I'm not going to make this jump. Oh, never mind. Did Landon make it? Did you make it? Did you make it?
Yeah.
Me too. And I just died! I fell out!
No!
And your brother did too.
Oh, I died.
Haha. Go to medium, Landy. Oh. Can Landy hear me?
No.
Let him join the call.
What?
Make him join the call. So it can be all three of us. Who's this guy, Flixer?
Dude, I almost got...
I didn't even know I was still recording. Jeez. I don't know why it sucks so much, but... Wait, I thought this was an easy map. What the heck?
I'll be in here.
Oh, you're leaving?
Oh, no, I'm staying on. I'll just be right back.
What the heck is happening? I'm gonna die. Damn it, I just died. Wait, where are you going? Okay. No one's here.
Okay, I'm back. My leg.
I'm gonna save everyone's life because I'm nice and lit.
What are you though?
I'm about to die. What? Yeah, I just died. But on the bright side, I saved everyone.
No, I almost made that jump.
Haha. Hey, Bren, can you follow me? Can you follow me? Follow me.
What? How much, dude, my leg costs more than your hair.
What?
My leg costs more than your hair.
Your legs? What?
My leg costs more than your hair.
How much did your leg cost?
700.
My screen froze. Okay, this is really weird.
I don't know what's going on.
Just leave the game, okay?
What?
Leave the game.
Oh, okay, I did.
Is it even recording?